Hello, in today's video, we are going to see what is input in HTML and how to display text field in web pages and types of inputs in HTML. Here, the input tag specifies an input field where the user can enter data. The input element is the most important form element. The input element can be displayed in several ways depending on the type attribute. What means the input tag is either to define the input field in the web page and it is the main element in the form and it is displayed in several formats using the type attribute. Let us see the types of inputs in HTML. Types of inputs in HTML. Input type equal to text, input type equal to checkbox, input type equal to radio, input type equal to time, input type equal to date, input type equal to date time local, input type equal to submit, input type equal to reset, input type equal to search, input type equal to range, input type equal to button, input type equal to number, input type equal to email, input type equal to password. These are different types of inputs used in HTML. Let us see the program. This is the program for input types in HTML. You can take a screenshot if you want. Now see the output. I displayed input and output in equal so we can understand in better way what is input type equal to text means. Here text field is created. In the text field we can enter any number of characters, but it can accept a few number of characters. That is the limitation of input type equal to text. Here second one, input type equal to date time local. Here what happens means when we click on the calendar symbol, it creates date and time formats. Here when we click on the here we here when we click on the calendar symbol, it displays calendar and time, and we have to select and again select. Here you can see the time and the reset. Here this is the reset button. It is used to reset all the characters that enter in the web page. Uh, Here this is radio box. If we once select the radio box, we can't deselect the radio box again. And this is and the next one is ring button. In the ring button we can get the volume like this. Here this is the checkbox. We can tick and untick the options. This has the capability to tick and untick the options like this. Here this is the search. Here this is the search field. And the search field is used to search the characters in the web page. Here the into symbol is appear in the right corner. If we click on the into symbol, It creates the character that we enter in the web page. Here, next input type equal to submit. The submit button is generated. The submit button is used to submit the form after filling the form. Here, input type equal to email. It shows error while we are not entering the correct structure of the email. If I not enter the address symbol, it show error and it would not be accept the email. Let's see the example. Here I entered the correct structure of email, that's why it doesn't show any error. Next input type equal to password. In input type equal to password, the characters that are entered are not visible to the user. Like this. Here next one is input type equal to button. The buttons are used to display in the web pages for many purposes. Here the last one is input type equal to number. If we click on the text field, then it displays the buttons in the right corner, upper button, lower button. If we click on the upper button, it will increase the number. If we click on the down button, it will decrease the number. Like this. This is the advantage of input type equal to button. Hope you understand my explanation. If you understand this video, then give a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.